Hello everyone. I'm very happy as you listen here. I am in the waterfall, a lovely place. I got the luck to take the map and I got lucky we are made on a live experience, so let's give a try. I came here just to have the real augmented experience, so let's check it out. I know this is a Drake, so a sex live, no, air experience, yes. So as I know, I think the Drake should be here. Hmm. Okay, confirm. So it should. Oh, it's here. Oh, it's in really in front of the waterfall. Sorry, my bad. I was thinking it should be here, but it's there in front, very front of there. And the shadows is perfect. Wow.